In this video, we review how to update your conversation preferences in the RingCentral app for desktop. When you click Settings, Desktop Notification, Sounds, Email Notifications, and Audio Sources display. Choose how you want to be notified. Choose All New Messages to get only new message notifications. When you select Direct Messages and Mention, you are only notified if your name is @mentioned. This will also send a notification to the user when an @team mention is tagged, or you may choose to not be notified at all. We recommend selecting the Direct Messages and Mention option only. This helps you prioritize which message to respond to immediately. Don't worry, you still see new messages, even if your name or a team you belong to is not @mentioned. To know what kind of incoming notification you are receiving, set a different alert tone for each segment to give an indication that you are receiving a direct message, being mentioned, or getting an incoming voice or video call. You can also enable the notifications via email. Select how frequently you want to be notified via email. Use this feature if you're not yet familiar with using the app, so you're less likely to miss new messages. You can disable this setting if you prefer not to get additional notifications through your email. Under the Message section, you can change the Max Conversations option to set your preferred number of active conversations that display in your conversation list. You can also set the New Message Badge Count option to count all types of new messages, or just direct messages and @mentions. We recommend selecting the Direct Messages and Mentions Only option, so you only see notification badges for conversations where you or a team you belong to is @mentioned, and other new messages will only highlight the conversation in bold. When you enable the Show Link Previews option, it displays a thumbnail of the link in your conversation pane. You can also change your notification preferences on each one-on-one, group, or team conversation. To do this, open a specific conversation. Click More, then select Notification Preferences. In this window, you can mute all types of notifications from this conversation, enable or disable desktop notifications for this conversation, change the desktop sound notification of this conversation to your preference, change the RingCentral app for mobile notifications for this conversation to include every new message or disable it, disable email notifications, or enable it to send you new message notifications through email every 15 minutes or on an hourly basis. We understand that too many notifications can be overwhelming, so here's a few recommendations to help you keep things simple. Keep desktop notifications enabled for important conversations, so you'll always be notified, even if you don't have the RingCentral app in focus. Set a unique sound notification for critical conversations. This allows you to easily identify which conversation has a new message just by hearing the notification tone. Keep the mobile notifications set to only notify you of the first new message, to avoid too many notification alerts on your mobile phone. To learn more about the RingCentral app, visit university.ringcentral.com. Thanks for watching.